the little bird. One day it was raining. The grass was wet. Jos, Mahi, Sammy and Anu were in Sami's house.
What shall we do? We cannot go out to play. Oh, look! A bird has come into our house. Let us keep him in a box. Ah, no! We must not do that. He will become sad.
Later, Sammy opened the window. The little bird saw the blue sky. The clouds had gone. The sun was shining in the sky. The little bird hopped out. The little bird felt happy. He flew and he flew and he flew. He flew to a big tree.
He was singing now. What was he singing?
I like you, Jos. I like you, Sammy. I like you, Anu and Mahi. I love the trees, I love the flowers, and I love the sunshine too. Do 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 do.